guys, this is the Dell Latitude E6410. Although it looks unusable, let's try to fix it if it can work. Let's try to see if it can clean up. You can hear some sounds. Hope it's good news. That's the only way. You can hear the fan. I think it's working. Let's off again. Because really looks unusable. Okay. The screen is damaged. So although the screen is damaged, we can use a monitor. The monitor I got for $20. Just a simple monitor. It's a LG and got released in 2006. Before I was even born. Let's try if it can work. Try to connect it using this VGA cable. So this is not showing here because of the screen. We need to unscrew the LCD ribbon on this PC. So we need to remove this LCD ribbon so that it shows on the monitor. Yes, this is the LCD ribbon, and put it back. Let's see if it can work on the monitor. Still nothing. Like this. So as you can see, it's showing because we unscrewed the LCD cable. So let me try to connect this keyboard. This is my old keyboard. We try to press the F1. No bootable device. Oh, I forgot. It doesn't have a hard drive, so I need to get one of my old hard drives. Although it has Windows 11, I don't think it will work well on this PC because it's quite old. This is my only last hope. This is just a 80 GB hard drive with Windows 11. Let's try to check it if it can boot. So let's try to install this powerful key by last hope. 80 GB hard drive in here if it can work. Although Windows 11 on a Core i5 first gen is like, yeah. Let's try to install this hard drive. It should work, I guess. Okay, you see something? It should work. The resolution is pretty bad. So this is a Core i5. It has 4 GB RAM, and I guess Windows 11 could work, but not as expected. So let's press F1. You see, you see something. Okay, starting to load up. Let's try to see if it will work, but not as expected because it's a first gen Core i5, and I think it can perform well on some tasks because it has 2 cores and 4 threads. I think Windows 11 would work well in some areas, I guess. As you see, it's taking time to load up because of the hard drive. But if you have an older PC, you want to install Windows 11, I would advise to get an SSD. No, those SSDs are fast. You just take a little more, like 5 seconds, already booted it up. So yeah, I can see something. Okay, I can see some areas showing. As I told you, see, Windows 11 is bad on a Core i5 first gen. See, it's taking time just to load up something, and the mouse is kind of laggy. You know, the screen is not showing well because we didn't install the graphic driver, the Intel HD graphics. That's why it's barely like this. In my next video, I'll try to install if it will work. So let's check the specs. The mouse is kind of lagged. Yeah, Windows 11 name. So as you can see, it's a Core i5 first gen, and I think using Windows 11 on this PC on a Core i5 first gen sucks. Slow. Most drivers are not supported, like the Intel HD graphics. That's why the screen is kind of blurry like this. This almost looked unusable, and if you have one of these, don't try to throw it up. You know, if you fix them, they can make, as I tried with this,